Welcome back to Scotty Speakeasy. I hoped you liked Eve's Downfall. If you did, I got you another whiskey drink. In fact, the one that started my whole career and invented my own drinks. It's called the Dirty Cow. It's made with Crown Royal, Carolyn's Irish Cream, and a dash of milk. History behind this drink, the name. It's called the Dirty Cow because the first time I ever served it to somebody is after 3 of them, she went to use the bathroom and fell out. Getting up, she looked at me dirty and said, "You did me dirty." I couldn't even taste the alcohol. The reason she couldn't taste the alcohol is because Crown is naturally smooth, and then the sweetness of the Carolyn's took care of any bite that the Crown had. Now to make this drink, you're going to start off with 2 shots of your Crown. Followed by 2 shots of your Carolyn's. Yes, I'm ambidextrous. It's a skill all Southpaws have. Now just top it off with a little bit of your milk. And then stir. Once you got a good mix, enjoy. I know I do. Y'all come back now, you hear?